7,000, dropping her down to 5,200. Over to VJ Balsay, 18,000 even going into. And his